Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you Prolong Power review. So you might be wondering what is the Prolong Power that people are currently talking about. Well, Prolong Power here is a dietary supplement marketed for male sexual health and performance. Now, positioning it or positioned to address certain concerns like the libido, stamina, and ED or erectile function. Now, it's formulated with a blend of plant-based ingredients rather than pharmaceutical compounds. Now, in this case, listed ingredients include horny goat weed extract, tonkat ali powder, saw palmetto extract, nettle extract, sarsaparilla, orchic substance, barn amino acid, salate, along with other mentions on different product pages like tribulus, teretris, and a lot more here. Now, the company states it's manufactured in an FDA registered GMP certified US facility and describe the formula as natural, non GMO, and generally vegetarian. Though one listing notes that the capsule themselves contain gelatin, which would rule out a strict vegetarian or vegan diet here. Now, how to exactly use it? Now, this is all according to their website. Now, the standard instructions across the product pages is 1 to 2 capsules daily, generally taken with a meal or a glass of water at the same time each day for consistency. Now, some pages here suggest taking it around like 20 to 30 minutes before a meal to support absorption. Now, the site recommends like 3 to 6 months of continuous use to gauge full results rather than short-term use. As with many any supplements, the maker's own guidance here is to check with a healthcare provider first if you have existing health conditions or if you take other medications as well, and not to exceed in the stated dosage. So with any kind of products out there, it's actually best to consult your doctor first before taking one. Now, on the pricing side here, it's worth noting upfront that this product is sold across several different branded official websites. So the price vary by site. Listed options include like single bottle ranging from like $39 to $69, with multi bottle bundles around 3 or 6 bottles, bringing the per bottle price down to roughly like $49 to $59, and often including free US shipping. Return policies across these sites commonly list are a 60-day money back guarantee, with some allowing returns even on opened or empty bottles. Now, it totally depends on where you're going to or where you're actually buying it. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.